All right, well today we are going to be tackling the license plate lights on my 2008 Cadillac Escalade. I'm going to be replacing the lights from the OEM incandescent, I think they are fluorescent, no, they're probably incandescent, to the to LED lights. I'm going to be changing them out to LED lights. Now this is something that you need to every once in a while check out, because unless you get pulled over by the police, most of the time you won't even know that they're out. I just happened to be following my wife one day while she was driving the truck. I was in the Porsche and it was at night, and I realized her license plate lights were out, both of them. Now there's two of them. The car is 10 years old. I've never replaced either one of them. So obviously one went out first and then the other one went out. So I guess, once a year, maybe when you change your oil, go ahead and just check those lights out to make sure that they're still working. Because in my case, both of them are out. So today we're just going to go ahead and we're going to be swapping. It's something pretty simple, but I'll just go through the quick steps. All right, so we are, I opened the lift gate, let it go all the way up, and manually just brought it down some so that I can get access to these. It's just more comfortable than getting down on the floor and trying to take these screws out. These are going to be two screws. They're pretty rusty back here, but they should come out. So there's going to be two lights. I'm actually replacing them with the LED lights, so they should last me a lot longer. They'll be probably a little bit brighter. These are 2825. It also says 168/194. So it's any one of these numbers. 2825, and this is a SYLVANIA. They also sell this in a ultra bright. So there's two. When I was at the store, I couldn't find this in the section, but I guess I was looking at the ultra bright. I don't really care for having ultra bright license plate lights, so I just went with the standard lights. So that's what I'm going to be working with today. So let's go ahead and remove these. It's just like I said, it's just two screws. Comes right out. And that bulb just comes straight out. You just pull it out, and that's kind of what it looks like. So this is definitely burnt. You see the little spring inside is broken. So that light's definitely dead. I'm gonna go ahead and take the new one out. I guess what I'll try to do now is I will go ahead and I'll turn them on so you can see that this one's not working and the other one is. All right, as you can probably see there, the lights, the one light is on and the other one is off. So definitely that light was, both of those lights were bad. So you can see the one over there on the left there. So definitely that'll resolve that issue. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and put this one back with the screws. And we'll move on to the next one. that's it. So I'll start the car now and make sure that both lights are working. Alright, so there you have it. These are the lights. Both of them are working again. And if anybody saw some of the previous videos, this is that switch that I replaced, that the rubber had kind of gone bad, and you weren't able to use that to open the door. So you can check out, that video also if that's something that you run into. Well, hopefully that'll help somebody out. And I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead and hit subscribe, hit like, and hit the notification bell, and share the video. Thanks, appreciate it.